In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you change your WhatsApp name. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your name in WhatsApp, just simply open the WhatsApp application. Then tap to these three dots into the top right corner. Tap into that and then select the settings option. Now, after going into settings, just simply tap to your profile. Then you can see this option of name. You just simply have to select the name. And now my name is currently set as Tech Guy. And now, in order to change, just simply erase the name and enter a new name. For example, I'm setting my new name as New Tech Guy from the Tech Guy. Then tap to Save button. Then your name will successfully be changed into WhatsApp. And you can also do this similar. I hope this video helped you, and if yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.